Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll be using a tree diagram to calculate conditional probability. Our example states, a school system compiled the following information from a survey it sent to people who were juniors 10 years earlier. 85% of the students graduated from high school. Of the students who graduated from high school, 90% are happy with their present jobs. Of the students who did not graduate from high school, 60% are happy with their present jobs. What is the probability that a person from the junior class 10 years ago graduated from high school and is happy with his or her present job? To construct our tree diagram, we need to first consider our two basic categories, students who graduated versus students who did not. The students who graduated represent 85% of our sample. The students who did not graduate represent 15% of our sample. Of the students who graduated, 90% say they are happy with their present job. The remaining 10% are not happy with their present job. Of the students who did not graduate, 60% were happy with their present job, which would mean that 40% were not happy. Or perhaps indifferent. We need to find the probability of G and H, that is, graduated and happy with their present job. This would be equal to the probability of having graduated times the probability that they are happy given that they've graduated. So the formula might look a little bit intimidating, but really all we're doing is multiplying these two probabilities together. So in other words, the probability that the student had graduated is 85%. We'll write that as a decimal. Given that, times the probability that they're happy, 0.90. This is interpreted as happy given that the student has graduated. Multiplying these probabilities out, we get 0.0765, or approximately 76.5%. That's the probability that the student was happy, given that he or she had graduated high school. This concludes our example. Hope you found it helpful, and we'll see you next time.